Welcome everybody. We have a 1961 Chevrolet Biscayne. So this was a lower base model car, but that's not what it is today. It's got an LS motor under the hood, air conditioned, the overdrive automatic, drop to the ground because it's got air ride suspension, Willwood disc brakes, all the goodies. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is fire engine red. Looks like flame red, nice, bright. And I'm looking at red glass here, actually. This is absolutely slick, straight. The gaps are real nice. I don't see a flaw or a wave or a dent. All the fender looks excellent. Look at those tight gaps, all real nice, smooth all the way down to the bottom. I mean, this is really nice, smooth, no rust or bubbles. There's a little chip on the edge of the door or quarter panel here. It's touched up nicely. Jambs are painted nice. Watch this. That shuts brand new. Let's call it a flat top. You can see why. It actually extends out over the window. Quarter panel's clean. This is really nice. I wasn't the one who purchased this car. This is the first time I'm looking at it closely, and I'm very impressed. Like this is red glass, folks. All back here is all beautiful. Minimal trim, only the two tail lights. When you get into the upper models, they had three tail lights, I believe. All this is clean. Look at these neat body line. Smooth all the way to the bottom. Look at that nice open wheel well. And usually these rocker panels bubble and rust. The gaps are so nice. This is called a post coupe or post sedan because it has the window frame around it. It doesn't get any better than that. Straight. Now that I've been around the car, this paint job and body work is absolutely a 9 out of a 10. And I'm not saying 10 out of 10 just to cover my butt. Nice curved windshield, crystal clear. The moldings fit nice, are shiny. The emblems are sparkling. Up front here, the grille, the bumper, all that is straight, shiny. It's been replaced or restored. Correct antenna looks new. The rubber gaskets look new. All the seals. Door handles are real shiny. Sitting on some nice US mag chrome wheels. I'm going to guess they are, well, I don't have to guess. They're 18s in the back. Look like about the same in the front. A little bit wider in the back. Now this is a wraparound window. It curves all the way around. That's original, has a few light scratches. There's a tarnished spot on the bumper right here, but still looks real nice. Straight, shiny. The V right here, that's sparkling. Beautiful car. And I dropped the air ride. I pulled it in here, and there's 3 settings. I hit number 1, it dropped it to the ground like that. I don't think our pictures online show it all the way down, but it looks cool. You bring it up a notch when you go to drive it. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you. You know what? I haven't even opened the trunk yet, so we're both going to see what we got. Good thing I'm not embarrassed. All painted red real nice. Inside is clean metal with the spatter finish, and look at that. They got a nice carpet, fits beautifully, all cut and sewn edges. And then that there is the tank for the air ride system. Yeah, it's a nice trunk. Plenty of room. Throw your coolers, your lawn chairs, overnight bag. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified as new videos are posted. Jambs are painted up nice. Weather strips and sill plates were replaced. Now it has the, looks like the Biscayne interior. Reproduction door panels, armrests, even the window handles and cranks all have been replaced. Now bear with me a second. I'm going to light the gauges up. Very cool custom gauges. There's 7,900 miles on the car. It's been driven. It doesn't look like it, but that means you can get behind the wheel and go for a cruise. Tachometer. All this is painted nicely. Now, for some reason, the cigarette lighter is missing. I don't know what the shop has in store for that. Ask the salesman when you talk to them. This is the controller for the air ride. There's 1, 2, and 3 settings. There's also a little microphone here I must have had a stereo in here at one time, unless maybe it's hidden. I don't know. It could be. AC vents neatly installed. Kick panels are upholstered. You got the same carpet in here with some nice Biscayne floor mats. They've added this console with a cup holder, a little storage. It even has a USB plug-in. You can plug your phone in. The seat I'm sitting on is reupholstered, just like stock. It does have some seat belts. Same thing back here. Nice carpet, mats, seat belts, wall-to-wall redone upholstery, side panels, no armrest for the people in the back. There's 6x9 speakers back there. I'll have to check into the stereo. Sometimes they're hidden and they operate off your phone. All the trim is painted. The headliner's been replaced, along with matching visors. Then we got a tilt steering column with a 3-spoke deluxe wheel. The whole car has been rewired. Modern wiring system. And with the push-in fuse panel. This here is a 5.3 liter LS motor. Runs real strong, runs nice. All custom covers up on top here, painted to match the car. All the components up front have serpentine belt, all modern stuff. Air conditioning and heat system. Firewall's nice and clean. Got the billet hinges that I've grown to love. They look sharp and they work so smoothly. And again, a nice neat installation. The wires, the metal surfaces, all looks nice. Big aluminum radiator. Chrome latch mechanism. Electric fan. Power steering. Power brakes. So you're all set. It's got everything you need in here to go for a nice long cruise. And it looks sharp once you get to the car show. Michael's going to show you how it runs. I'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Man, am I liking this one right here. It's just got that old school look to it, and it's really nicely done. Sitting on airbags, so you can drop it all the way to the ground if you want when you pull up at the car show. That's pretty cool. Lots of upgrades in this one. You know, it's a fuel injected LS under the hood, so you got that as far as turnkey reliability goes. You got a 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. Actually, you know what? It may be a 4L80. One of the two is 4L60 or 4L80. Just slipping my mind real quick. But you got an automatic overdrive transmission here. So, you know, take it, cruise it down the highway. It's got the modern gauges, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's just a great car, you know, really thoughtfully restored. And I'm really liking it. We got the little cup holder here, or the cup holders in the center console. You can slip that one out if you like. It's not permanent, but yeah. So far, everything's cool. I'm liking the interior as well. It's got the original style fabric on there, and then the bench seat, which I always like it nice and close with your cuddle up on your cutie. So yeah, started with no problem and continues to run that way. Let's see what she's got. All right, just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without an issue. I just eased into it. You know, it's got more than adequate power, really nice sounding exhaust. I kind of wasn't expecting that from the exhaust, but it's got a really super nice note to it. And yeah, not super bouncy or anything like that. Even with the air ride, we got it up on 3 right now, so all is good here. Shop spent about a $2,400 bill on it. We went over it, checked things out. We did a couple things like, well, first off, full detail on it, but then we also fixed the air conditioner and a couple other small things. So it is in very nice running and driving condition. Somebody's going to be very happy with this vehicle once they purchase it. Come out and test drive it for yourself if you feel like you need to. We welcome you guys. If you're not that keen on cars, go ahead and hire a third-party inspector. We will allow them to use our lifts and our facilities, everything like that, to give you a full, thorough inspection report on it. And outside of that, check out all the details at volocars.com.
Paint even feels slick like Teflon. So it was a body off frame restoration. We have pictures and a stack of paperwork that'll go with it. Underneath is just smooth, clean metal. It looks smooth as a chalkboard, all painted black. It does have the air ride suspension. Along with that, it has Fox adjustable gas shocks. Also, by the way, there's 17x7s in front, 18x8 wheels in the back. All the suspension, steering, that was all redone. Disc brakes at all 4 wheels. It's a Willwood disc brakes. 6 piston calipers up front. They're red, look sharp, drilled and slotted rotors. Nice custom fuel or replaced fuel system. Custom exhaust system, which goes right along the X-frame. Has like a glass pack style, like skinny muffler. Sounds real nice. You look up at the motor, it's aluminum oil pan, high torque starter. It's the 4L60E electronic overdrive automatic, rebuilt drive shaft, going back to the rear end. So underneath's very clean. This has all the stuff to make it a cruiser, and yet it's nice enough to be a show car. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.